Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Before going into the news, let's start with the motivational quote. Success doesn't know it's cold or tired. It's all just know if you're showed up or not. So always working hard and believe yourself. 7.5 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Alaska triggered a small tsunami on Monday, US agencies said. The National Tsunami Warning Center said wave level hits 2 feet. Meanwhile, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration said the residents evacuated to higher ground as tsunami warning covered much of the southern coast of the remote US state. COVID-19 cases in India near 76 lakh. Recoveries crossed 67 lakh. The number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 75,97,603 as 46,790 people tested positive in the last 24 hours, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The COVID-19 death toll in the country has risen to 1,15,197, while 67,33,328 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 7,48,533 cases are currently active. Israel to start human trials of COVID-19 vaccine candidate by October end. Israel would begin the human trials of the potential COVID-19 vaccine BioNTech by October end, an official press release read. The vaccine is being developed by the Israel Institute of Biological Research. On Monday, Defense Minister Benny Gantz visits the IABR and described the process of beginning of human trials as a very significant moment and source of national pride. First case of COVID-19 induced brain nerve damage in a child reported at AIIMS. Delhi's AIIMS has reported the first case of COVID-19 induced brain nerve damage in a child. Hindustan Times reported. A draft reported by AIIMS stated, "We have found COVID-19 induced acute demyelinating syndrome in an 11-year-old girl. The nerve damage has led her blood vision," it said. "We have planned to publish this case report," Dr. Shafali, Chief Child Neurology Division, said. Have been diagnosed with lymphoma. Hollywood actor Jeff Bridges took to Twitter on Tuesday to reveal that he has been diagnosed with lymphoma, a cancer of lymphatic system. "Although it is a serious disease, I feel fortunate that I have a great team of doctors and the prognosis is good," the actor, who has starred in films like Iron Man and Tron, said. 90 COVID-19 cases reported in flood relief camps of Hyderabad. As many as 90 COVID-19 positive cases have been reported in flood relief camp within Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation areas. Those with symptoms of cold will also increase. These symptoms are very similar to COVID-19, State Minister Itala Rajendra said. "So far, we have screened 38,516 individuals and given medicines," a health official said. People tired of hearing all these idiots. Describing COVID-19 experts and scientific advisors as idiots, US President Donald Trump said, "People are tired of hearing them. People are tired of COVID-19. I have the biggest rallies I have ever had, and we have COVID-19. People are saying whatever, just leave us alone. They are tired of it," he added. The US has reported over 82 lakh COVID-19 cases. Killed zookeepers in front of visitors in China. A video showing bears attacking and killing a zookeeper in front of visitors in China has surfaced online. In a statement on its website, Shanghai Wildlife Park said it was extremely distressed that such a tragedy occurred, adding that it also apologized to tourists for any inconvenience caused. The wildlife park further said that it would improve its safety management. Rare one-eyed baby white shark found inside adult shark's stomach in Indonesia. A rare baby albino shark with one eye has been found by fishermen in Indonesia. The shark was found inside the belly of an adult shark that died after being caught in the nets while the fishermen were sailing across Maluku province. It's believed the adult shark was pregnant and carrying the fetus when it became caught in the nets. Large crowd seen at clothing store in Chennai. Shop sealed after video surfaces. The Greater Chennai Corporation has sealed Kumaran Silks, a clothing store, after video of a large crowd within its premises surfaced. Officials said that they had issued a warning to shop earlier, but it had failed to implement any measures to control the crowd. Shop owners and public are requested to strictly follow safety protocols, Greater Chennai Corporation said. Adam Rayner was a man who lived the first 20 years of his life as a dwarf with a height of 4 feet 10 inches. Then he began to grow at an alarming rate and died a giant with height of 7 feet 1 inch. 390 years old bonsai tree survived the bombing of Hiroshima. Later, the tree was gifted to the US and it still lives in Washington, D.C. Residents of West Berlin show children to their grandparents who reside on the eastern side at 1961. There are specially trained people that tell stars where to stop on the red carpet. In Korean, the word Samsung means 3 stars. The name was chosen by Samsung founder Lee, whose vision for his company to become powerful and everlasting like stars in the sky.